Common Sense Crypto back up in the mix. Hope everybody's doing well today. I'm not doing all that great. The old Popeye spicy shrimp got me, I think. I usually don't eat the shrimp from Popeyes because they're just little shrimp. And being from the Gulf area, the little shrimp just ain't cutting it for me. I don't know why they give us those little shrimp. I'm not gonna rant on that. What we got today is MoneyGram news. I've got to do this mobile because I'm on my laptop. MoneyGram filed paperwork today to return from the 20% reduction in salaries. You can see it here. I don't know that you want me to sit here and read all this. The gist of it is, due to the growth from May to May, and also halfway through June, they're saying it's continuing, the growth of the company, that they want to return the 20% salary cuts that happened. Now, this could be taken two ways. This either has something to do with the Western Union buyout. They may want to have their salaries back up if this buyout happens. It could have it could affect whatever the compensation is for people on salary, or it could just be that the company's doing well again, which this would be a really quick turnaround. And a really quick turnaround like this could be good news for us investors. Now, what they did do was report some revenue. Let's see what we got here today. So today, 275 million was the estimate on what their earnings are going to be this quarter. It's a little bit short compared to last quarter, but you got to remember, this quarter they went through the COVID thing. All their stores were closed, and to do this well through the coronavirus thing is awesome news. Now, for some reason, the market has not responded to it. I don't know why. Sorry about the shakiness, but I'm trying to hold this dang camera. I don't have software on this laptop. I don't know why it hasn't responded to it. We've been up to $4 on the buyout news. Now we have news that they're returning the salaries, which the only two reasons I can think of for returning the salaries this quick is either the buyout or they're doing well. So there's no reason why this stock shouldn't climb. I've repositioned a couple of times. I don't remember how many shares I'm up to now, but I repositioned a couple of times and I bought back in this morning. It looks like it's going to at least hold above $3. It's been demonstrating that for a few days now, that it's going to hold above $3. We got down to around 270 for a brief period of time last week, but it's been rock steady since then. So I'm real confident at the current price level, it's not going to be a loser, especially with this news that they're returning salaries and they're still making decent revenue. And they did not lose all that much revenue considering what they just went through. And that's just an estimate. I mean, it could end up even being better. This is just an estimate they're making. As you can see, at one point we had got up to $4. I don't know why this little chart doesn't show the $4. We got up to around 406 or 7 recently. I sold mine. It was too easy to sell it and reposition because the buyout news hadn't been confirmed or denied, so I knew it was going to go back down. I sold it 4.0 something and just repositioned this morning, so you can do the math on that. Picked up some more shares. It's just what I do. But just a quick update. We've been through this before where I had to use my phone and my laptop. This laptop doesn't have screen capture on it. I hope it helps somebody out. Uh, Anybody who watched my channel, I sure hope you bought in when it was $1 something. I know I bought a lot at $1 something. It was all the way down to $1.18 at one point. I mean, man, this thing, as you can see on the chart here, it just took off. If you bought down at $1.18, which looks like it was in April, I don't even remember. It's been a couple months now. You should have made a nice little chunk of change. And I think this thing still has room to grow. You know, this thing, I think it should be at 6 right now, but for whatever reason, the money's not there. Maybe they're waiting for this buyout thing to pan out or not pan out and then reevaluate. But before I ramble, like and subscribe, ring the bell. Keep the faith on old MONEYGRAM. This, like I was saying, months ago, this is a startup company with a bunch of debt. The debt's not real bad. It's not crippling. It's basically a startup company that's just holding some debt. And they've proven over the past few months that they're trying to rebuild this company or trying to build a new company on top of the foundation of an old style company. They're trying to build a new company. They didn't just lay down and die. They are moving and shaking and getting it going, and the whole Ripple thing shows that they want to move into the future, and could be why they're the target of Western Union. If you can't beat them, buy them out. Like and subscribe, ring the bell. Common Sense Crypto out.